Gigi, your debit card. It's good to see you. And today, we're going to the bank. And today, we're going to use the chip code on the front of our debit card.
Whee!
A chip card is a debit or credit card that contains a microchip on the front.
Oh, wow! Wow! Wow!
The chip gives you security when making transactions at stores or ATMs, making it harder to steal money from your debit card. To use it, first you place your card into a card reader with the chip facing up. The card reader will then read the card and then tell you to place in your credentials. You can place in your PIN number or sign for your purchase. Your chip card provides an additional layer of security when used at a card reader because this makes the card more difficult to steal your money. Therefore, you need to keep it safe. So come on, guys, let's go on an adventure. We're going to the store to use our chip card. Now that we're in the store, we're going to pay for the toys that we want. We first want to place our debit card in the reader. Make sure the card chip goes all the way in. You may even hear a click. Now we're going to put in our PIN number.
Shh!
Make sure no one is around to see your PIN number. Now let's pay for our toys. And success!
Woo!
We just bought our toys using our debit card and the chip card. You're a pro.
Let's go!
Make sure you never walk away and leave your debit card out in the open. If you leave your debit card out in the open, then someone can steal your debit card.
Oh, come on!
And steal your money. Make sure to keep Gigi safe. Place me back in your pocket and keep me there at all times. Wow, what an adventure that we had today! Today, we bought toys using our debit card and chip code. If you want to learn more about the bank, subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal you would like to see next. Now go watch our next video on making a deposit in the bank. Let's go, guys!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta.